could you also please tackle the free zone notice period, assuming that the internal contract was expired and stated the notice period was 60 days. What notice period should be followed? Well, so number one is the free zones are subject to the UAE employment law. So it's not about free zone or mainland company, it's more about the jurisdiction. So as long as we're not talking about the DIFC and the ADGD, which are two separate legal jurisdictions, the all other free zones, mainland companies, they're all subject to the same employment law, and that's the federal law, and it applies equally to all types of companies. And so in terms of the notice period, the law sets the default minimum 30-day notice period. Now, if you have a 60-day notice in the contract, it's just because the contract sort of expired in print does not mean that the terms of the contract have not rolled over into your next term of employment. So in this case, let's say you have now two conflicting terms. You have 30 days and you have 60 days. So it's really kind of up to you. So which one is more beneficial? So if the 60 days is more beneficial to you, then you can argue in court that that's the more beneficial notice period, so therefore you want that notice to apply. If on the other hand you want to resign earlier, then you would still be bound by at least the 1 month sort of mandatory notice period.